CJ, you want syrup? Where's your fork, CJ? Your fork is over there. Where's your fork? Time to eat.
I got toothpaste on.
Just leave it right there. Thank you. Hi, CJ. Did you enjoy the little bites of? He ate it. It's just he's taking a long time eating it. CJ, say ah. You're not gonna use no napkin. All right, Chauncey, you enjoyed yourself?
I did.
This was a success. Besides, we're in Ocala, Florida. Now we got 4 more hours to go.
I can't get back to my seat.
It is 9:14
This
a.m.
I can't get back to my seat anymore.
Hopefully all the kids want to use the restroom. If not, you're out of gas.
We gotta go get gas.
Hopefully you guys can hear me.
Okay,
Why are you guys so into gas?
because I love gas. I love the smell of gas. It's good. Ew,
Well, you guys, this is the little mini clip on our midpoint, mid time frame.
Gas, and that's poisonous.
It is 9:14 a.m.
Every time the bus comes to pick us up.
Sorry for the noise.
So this
Are you guys getting in the play area?
No, it's not even good. Look how short it is. And the
This is Isaiah, and he's gonna let you know his experience.
I thought it was so fun, and they even have an arcade and a bowling alley, and they have a water park too, and a jacuzzi, and they have big slides. They have a race pool, and they have an outdoor pool too, but it doesn't have slides. So, and they even have a basketball over there. And they even have walk island too, and they have blocks too. So if somebody needs to put their clothes in it, in the locks, they could put it in there. And even they have free towels that you can use. And this is the best part. This is the best. The play areas at Tennessee are way better. Yeah, the one
Here in McDonald's, and we are here. We're across the street from the hotel, and it is 3:22 p.m. My baby son did some video clips that I will be probably implementing while I play around with trying to get these clips together for day 1. So far, so good. We're done with lunch. We have McDonald's. And there's a playground here.
McDonald's.
Yes.
Huh?
So that's not your drink. Your drink is right here.
Once we go, you don't think I put on my sandals?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'll leave my shoes on.
All right, guys, let's go.
Salutes. Sup? Yeah. We're doing a vlog, bro. Yeah. Subtle. Listen. Putting this on you. Mommy, look. Look, mommy, look. Over here. Look, there's the thing. Look.
Wanted to show you what I did. I did work on my fridge from the stuff I got from the cooler. I transferred it. Alright, so I've put some bottled water up. Brought orange juice, oranges, milk, chocolate milk. I brought my creamer. I have bananas. Here's the grapes. And started putting the kids' stuff up. And here are the non-perishables. A couple of things need to be in the fridge. And I'll start working from there. Gonna let you know his experience.
I thought it was so fun, and they even have an arcade and a bowling alley, and they have a water park too, and a jacuzzi, and they have big slides. They have a race pool, and they have a outdoor pool too, but it doesn't have slides. So, and they even have a bathroom.
your experience here at Great Wolf Lodge?
I rate Great Wolf Lodge 8 out of 10. I like the water park. The water park was fun. And I like how they have an inside water park, an outside pool and jacuzzi, so that if you're cold, you can go outside to the jacuzzi, and you can get warm in there, and then if you want, you can come back. And I like how they have restaurants, a couple of restaurants inside of the water park, where you can get food as like a snack, and you can get back. What else do I say, Mommy? Hello? Hello?
You gotta zoom out. You're not in focus. There you go.
The hotel was nice. I like the room.
Did you let them know about the bowling, the arcade, story time?
Okay, goodbye, people.
Here at the Great Wolf Lodge here in Georgia. This is day 5. We are up and early. Checkout is at 11, but we like to get an early start on the road to head back home. We are excited to go back home. I miss so much people. I miss my sister, my mom, Dad. I miss my house. I miss breathing properly. I miss eating good. I miss Miami, Florida. I really do. I can't wait to return back home. Return back to a better altitude where it's not messing up my nose and breathing patterns. So I'm really thrilled and excited about going back home. We're trying our very best not to do any major stops, so probably a lot of drive-through. Well, no, we're gonna have breakfast via drive-through through McDonald's this morning, and we're eating and going. So our goal is not to stop much. Our goal is to at least make it home before nighttime. So we are thrilled, excited. Our experience here was wonderful. And Isaiah, do you want to say anything?
Yeah. Here was a good day, and I want to go home because I want to talk quickly. That's why I can't talk quickly. I want to breathe quickly, and I just want to go back home. And I miss my family.
All right, you guys, it's been a pleasure. I know I did not vlog all the way through, but you'll enjoy this little clip that we have once we put it together, and you guys enjoy yourself. Bye.